This is the very mobile, light, precision side right here. That's what we write with. The thumb has the most mobility of any of the fingers. This other side is actually the control line because it's attached to the heel of the hand, which is generally in this area. It's attached to the strongest parts of our body. So when applying a palm strike, for instance, you want to apply the palm strike more into this part, into the heel of the hand, or maybe even to the side because it's down the ulna line. You don't want to apply a palm strike into this part. This is not the heel of the hand at all. This is a part of the thumb. This would equate to like the ball of the foot here. And this is the strong part. So you want to understand that your palm strikes come from your elbow and they come right on out here. Same thing when you're applying punches. You do not want to punch with this finger, despite what so many people try to do. This is the natural power line of the hand, and it comes right on down the ulna and out the pinky line. You want to land generally on these 3 fingers just like this and exit from this one point here. Think of this as the muzzle of your gun coming on out. But just simply understanding the hand can get you far when you're trying to control something. If you push more on this part, you're going to be weaker in your effort. If you push more on this part and get your elbow aligned with it, you're going to be stronger with that effort. Use this in your training, and you'll understand what it means to be more stable and align yourself through a skeletal structure.
Get more free how-to videos at learnwingchun.com.